Welcome back to Fun King Garage. In the last episode, I kind of left you hanging on the front seal replacement of the Fummins project. Well, I'm back in this episode to get that repair completed. Now, if you didn't see the last episode, go ahead and click over and watch that first so that you're brought up to speed as far as what's going on in this one. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss future episodes. So there isn't really anything else to say, so without further ado, let's get back to work. All right, so next up we're going to push the seal down into the front case. We want to do that from the back side. But before you do that, you want to put some red Loctite on it. That up just a touch more. Let's try that again now that it's open. Alright, we go all the way around with that. That did not go well. No, I knocked it entirely too far to one side. Come back out and we're going to do it again. I got a bad start on that one. That looks pretty good. tool did come back out, but it took the sleeve with it, so just fight that sleeve right back in there. Looks like I've got good Loctite coverage all the way around. Just going to do a final wipe out. Next up, we'll put the RTV around it, and then we'll get ready to put it back on the engine. Alright, admittedly I forgot to clean these bolts up. I was going to clean them before this happened, but I had already put the RTV on. So now that falls under Too Bad So Sad. And before any of you guys ask in the comments about why I didn't paint this front cover, I went back and forth a lot about painting this cover and opted not to at the end because I didn't want to wait for it to dry and have the front of the motor open. Plus you'll never see it behind that shroud. I promise the next motor, the whole thing will be painted and beautiful. I'm not actually impacting those in, by the way. I think the resistance is just the dirt. That bolt needs a better cleaning. That one's nasty. Missed one. That's why you always go back and double check them. Or mark them as you go. Those are bolts that I don't use, but I didn't want them to fall out. All right. Take that installation sleeve off of there. Cover back on. That thing says to torque it to 4 nanometers. Oh, 8 nanometers. But that's not much. Right there, should be plenty. Can't take it off with my hand. See a little RTV sticking out here and there. Then, this kit did come with a setting ring, but I had the tool, so I didn't use it. Try putting it right side up though. Alright, let's torque those down, and I think that we are done for the night. Yeah, this is kind of where I started the job, and it's kind of where I'm ending the job. This went pretty well today. There was a few questionable things, but we got through it, and I'll feel better now knowing that that is a new seal. Reason I didn't put the belt back on is we are getting closer and closer to the initial start, and I want to do the initial start without running all the accessories, so that's why I didn't bother to put the belt back on, because it was going to have to come off anyway. So that's it for the front seal. Not a terrible job. Make sure you buy the tools. I'll try to put a link down in the description for the tools that I bought. They were very, very affordable. Some places sell the seal spacing tool, or the press tool, for like $150, and it's cheap. It's like 14 bucks on Amazon, so I'll try to remember to put the links in the description for that. Otherwise, that's it for today. So this repair ran late into the night, and weirdly I was exhausted by the end of it. But I think it was a success. However, we won't know until we get that engine started, start moving some oil around and see if we have any leaks. But everything went back together and with no surprises, so I'm confident that it's all going to be okay. I want to say thank you for being here, mainly if you've made it this far into the video. A big special thank you to those who are supporting me on Patreon, and also those who have used my Tecton affiliate link. They don't tell me who you are, they do tell me you're using it, and I truly appreciate it, because it supports me and it supports the channel. And who knows, it could always lead to a sponsorship, and I use a lot of Tecton tools. But it's time, yes, it's time for me to grab my tool bag, hit the road, and move on to my next adventure. So, until next time, thanks for watching.